Today I am going to explain you about eyes. So in eyes, roughly what we see, there is just a small structure, white and some balls in our eyes. But do you know what is inside our eyes? No. So today we are going to learn what is inside our eyes, what it helps, what are the parts of it, why are that structures used, in where it is used. So one of the first part is our first white structure, which is just white in scene, and it is called as corcena. Okay, and that is very useful to protect our eyes inside parts. It is just it works like an artificial cell. Okay, and when any dirt comes or it itches your eyes, no, that time the corcena helps you. At that time, it protects that inside part should not get damaged. After that, the next cell what we are going to learn is about the iris part. Okay, iris is the part which our eyes ball, the big ball which you see, that is called iris. Inside iris there is a small part called pupil. Pupil is controlled. The pupil size is controlled by the iris. Okay, and iris have a distinct change of color. Some members may have brown color of iris, some members may have black color, some members may have green, and etc. etc. It differs on the eye problems and eye controls or whatever, about eye substances. How much this is contract, how much it depends on your health and your eye care. Okay, and when pupil is controlled size when in darkness and so brightness. This will control if you go in so darkness places. Pupil will go it will become big in size, so that it will search the light, so that it will get a balance of light. And if you go in very bright place, the pupil will come in small size, because when the more light goes inside your eyes, nerves may get damaged. So it helps us to balance the light darkness and light brightness of light in our eyes, so that it will be protected, our inner eyes. So pupil is, the size is controlled by iris. So iris also helps to control the brightness of the eyes. If iris does not react to the pupil, then pupil cannot react while the brightness and the darkness. Okay, so both iris and pupil is the main part of the eyes. After that comes the lens. Lens is thicker in middle and thinner in edges. So lens helps us to see the far things. Like sometimes you may see the photographers to zoom in, they will zoom in. We can't zoom in our eyes in between. Okay, so it's a part in our eyes, we can't zoom in between and all. So lens helps us to zoom the far things. The maximum this is 25 centimeter to see proper by the lens. So lens helps us to see the far vision of the objects. After that comes, and lens is the layer of retina. Retina is the part where are so many nerve cells in our eyes, and the main nerve cell is optic nerve. Optic nerve helps us to whatever we see, whatever we observe from retina, from our eyes, that passes to the optic, from optic it passes to the brain from the optic nerves. If the brain works, the brain gets active, then only we can find out, yeah, this thing we are seeing, this color we are seeing. So the optic nerve is the main part. So if optic nerve is damaged, we might get blind, we might not see anything, our brain could not active in this way. If we see anything, it will be just black or blur in color. So optic is also a main part of the eyes. When optic and the retina junction, over there a spot is there, that is called blind spot, because in retina and optic nerve junction, over there is no sensory cell. So if there is no sensory cell, there is no vision cell, no vision over there, so it is called as blind spot in the junction of retina and optic nerve. So in optic nerve and retina there are two cells. One is called cones and one more is rods. Cones helps us to see in bright lights. If there is no cones, we can't see in bright lights or whatever. And the rods helps us to see in dim lights, like at dark lights. And even cones it has sense to see the colors. If there were no cones, we would not see the color properly, like how we can describe this is blue, this is green, this is white. We could not if cones were not there. Only the cones senses the colors. Okay. And the fun fact of the cones and rods are the birds. There are different types of birds like day birds and night birds. Day birds have cones in cone cells more and the rod cells less, so that at daytime the day birds can see the objects or things very clearly, but at night they have the rod cells less, so at night they can't see properly the cells or whatever. You can't see the objects, colors or whatever. And the birds which are night birds like owl, bat and etc., they have rods more, so that they can see at dark areas also, they can see any object whatever. But in daytime they can't see properly the vision, the outer things and the object they can't see properly. And even they have cords less, so they have the less sense of seeing the colors. So it is described like this, that